CVE 2024-6387, dubbed regreSSHion, is a critical flaw found in the widely used OpenSSH tool. It stems from improper input validation, making it possible for attackers to gain unauthorized access and potentially control the compromised system. It is the first of two vulnerabilities discovered in OpenSSH in July 2024 alongside CVE 2024-6409. Essentially, any individual or organization utilizing OpenSSH versions prior to 4.4p1 and versions 8.5p1 to 9.8p1 is at risk. CVE 2024-6387 has been actively exploited by malicious actors, targeting unsuspecting users. To counter this vulnerability, developers have released crucial security updates. Users are urged to apply these patches without delay.